Howdy folks, George Shively with you here from South Shore Marine Electronics. Our next project here is going to be a 1997 41 Tiara. We redid this helm a number of years back and wanted to save some of the equipment that you see on there, the North Star autopilot. And we, a number of years back, upgraded the Furuno NavNet system from VX1 to VX2. But the system, the helm really needs to be updated again. So we're going to go ahead and keep the autopilot that you see in the center there with the Simrad cover on it. We're going to keep the round stereo control, but the VHF is going to be replaced. The North Star is going away, the individual depth sounder is going away, and the Furuno is going away. And we're going to be putting in a 16-inch Garmin 7600 series with radar and fish finder. So we're going to have kind of a one-screen solution here for the helm. So just kind of want to give you a heads up here what it looks like. And of course we're going to be keeping the thruster control. But kind of want to give you a heads up here of how things look. And then of course we'll stop back as we make progress and we'll show you how things are looking. Okay, stand by. Howdy folks, George Shively with you here. I want to show you what the panel looks like here, both the original panel that we removed. As you'll recall, the North Star, or excuse me, the Furuno was here, North Star was here. We had the autopilot located here, separate depth sounder here, control for the stereo here, it's just where the microphone was mounted, and the VHF radio. A lot of jitty moss kind of on the helm. We've kind of gotten away from that here. And we're going to have the main 7616 Garmin in the center. That's going to be chart plotter, radar, and depth sounder. This area is going to be the new standard Horizon VHF radio. Above that's going to be the autopilot, replacing the autopilot. Over here is going to be, we're replacing the thruster control. That used to be to the left of the Furuno. And we're moving the stereo from down where its existing location is up to the main panel here. It's going to be a whole lot easier to see. The passenger will be able to operate it very easily. You won't need a remote control. So this has been all cut. It's been deburred, and it's going out to paint tomorrow. This goes to a body shop to be painted. This is the little cover plate that we made that's going to go over where the existing hole is for the stereo. So that'll blend with the helm. And when we get it back, it'll have that nice Tiara gray color to it. And all the gear will go in it. So just kind of want to show you what it looks like, kind of interim process here. And we'll be back when I have more to show you. So stand by. Howdy folks, George Shively, South Shore Marine Electronics, back with you here on the Tiara. Well, we've got the helm wrapped up here and wanted to show you kind of how things look. Of course, we replaced the thruster control. New M606 Clarion stereo. The owner wanted to be able to stream music from her iDevice to it, so we put one of those in. Really nice Garmin 7616 XSV. Beautiful screen, perfect for this boat. One screen is certainly big enough to have multiple images up there and still be able to have the image large enough to be able to use. The GX 1700 VHF radio from standard with built-in GPS has been programmed with the owner's MMSI number to facilitate DSC, and of course the old pilot, which is still working just fine. We put that back in. So here you go, kind of an overall view of what the helm looks like now. Really up to snuff, cutting edge, and just think what your helm could look like if we worked on it. So if you'd like to get in touch with us, my name is George Shively at South Shore Marine Electronics, 216-407-6553. Our email address, southshoremaриneelectronics@oh.rr.com. Thanks very much for watching. Bye-bye.